Lane Meyers' arraignment delayed due to new motion. Those checking in on the continuing saga of Lane Meyers before his arraignment for 3 felony and 3 misdemeanor charges he picked up while on bond for 14 other charges got a surprise on Thursday afternoon as a notice of appeal appeared in Meyers' file on e-access, easycourts.com, before the arraignment itself was apparently delayed due to a new motion. The appeal, listed as CR 202-51566, is titled State of Arizona, Appellee versus Lane Jeffrey Meyers, Appellant, and lists the city prosecutor handling the case for the state of Arizona as Mariel Warman. Warman is listed as working for the Office of the Tucson City Attorney Criminal Division. The case is being handled in the Municipal Court of Appeal, and the judge assigned to the case is Kimberly Ortiz. No other information is available at this time. No hearings have been set, and the appeal is listed as being filed on April 4th, 2025. Meyers' usual spokesperson, Josh, this is a public service. Gray has yet to comment on the nature of the appeal. Meyers was listed to be arraigned on Friday for his 6 new charges that he picked up while being on bond for his original set of charges. The arraignment did not happen. Instead, Meyers has filed a motion for rehearing on bail pursuant to Rule 7.4c. Rules of Procedure 7.4c state. C. Later review of conditions. 1. Generally, on motion or on its own, a court may re-examine bail eligibility or the conditions of release if the case is transferred to a different court. If a motion alleges the existence of material facts not previously presented to the court or the defendant is unable to post bond due to the defendant's financial condition, the court may hold oral argument or an evidentiary hearing. 2. Motion requirements and hearing. The court may modify the conditions of release only after giving the parties an opportunity to respond to the proposed modification. 3. Eligibility for bail. If the motion is by the state and involves a defendant previously held eligible for bail at the initial appearance, it need not allege new material facts. The court must hold a hearing on the record as soon as practicable, but no later than 7 days after the motion's filing. As the court has not updated any of its websites, we more than likely will not have further information about Meyers' motion or his appeal until Monday. The Lane Meyers experience had another down day on Thursday, as Josh Gray's new attempts to fundraise on behalf of Meyers by attacking prosecutor Rachel Stiles again resulted in no new donations. Gray's address was strange as he talked about the prosecutor and he talked about making T-shirts as a fundraising idea, but he never got around to actually fundraising for Meyers. We may not be especially bright about fundraising, but we do know that you need to tell your audience why you want them to send you money and where to send it. Meyers was not alone in goose eggs for Thursday, as the entire market pulled in the nuisance eggs with no new donations to any of the campaigns we follow. We do owe Meyers an apology as we missed a $100 donation for Thursday's tally, bringing him to $120 in donations for Wednesday. We apologize for the error.
Journalism in Crisis. Both ReallyCoolSite.org's daily newspaper and our daily newscasts are funded by your continuing donations and what we make from our YouTube AdSense revenue each month. If you'd like to contribute to help us keep the lights on, eating, keeping the cats fed, and writing new stories to feature on both the newspaper and newscast each day, we do have a GoFundMe displayed on the screen. As real American and true protector of the First Amendment, Lane Meyers has made multiple threats to sue us in recent days. Portions of all donations may also go towards fighting any possible future lawsuits. If you can't afford to contribute, please watch our entire videos, like, share, subscribe, and comment. You can help by doing next to nothing, and we thank you in advance for pitching in.